Now for these questions, we need to add a 2-digit multiple of 10 to a 3-digit multiple of 10. So remember, a multiple of 10 is a number that ends in a 0. So first, we have 140 plus 40. Now because we're adding tens, if we highlight our tens digits, we have 4 tens and we're adding 4 tens. So in our answer, we have 8 tens, but our other digits stay the same. So we still have a 1 as our hundreds digit, and we have a 0 as our ones digit. Because we start with 0 ones, we're adding 0 ones, so we have 0 ones in our answer. If we're adding 2 multiples of 10, so 2 numbers that end in a 0, our answer will be a multiple of 10 as well. So now let's try 270 plus 50. Here, if we highlight our tens digits, we have 7 tens and we're adding 5 tens. But that gives us 12 tens, and 12 is a 2-digit number. Remember, we can only have 1 digit in each place value. So that means that our hundreds digit is going to change as well. So what we can do is take our hundreds and tens together and work out 27 plus 5. That's 32. So our answer is 320 because the ones digit stays the same, so it's still 0. Now 380 plus 60. If we highlight our tens, 8 plus 6 is 14. But that's a 2-digit number, so we know that our hundreds digit is going to change as well. Now if we work out 38 plus 6, that's 44, so our answer is 440. So let's take a closer look at these questions and show base 10 blocks so that we can see what's happening. For this first question, we started with 140, so 104 tens, and we were adding 40, so if we add 4 tens, that gives us 8 tens, we still have our 100, and we still don't have any ones. But then we had 270, so 2 hundreds and 7 tens, and we were adding 50. So if we add 5 tens, we can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here we've got 10 tens, so we can exchange those for an extra 100. So that's why we get 320 as our answer. And then we started with 380, so that's 3 hundreds and 8 tens, and we were adding 60. So we can add 6 tens. If we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, you can see that we have 14 tens, but we can regroup the 10 tens that we have here into 100. So that gives us 4 hundreds and 4 tens, or 440 as our answer. We can also show the addition using place value counters. So here we started with 140, and adding 40 means we were adding 4 tens. So that gives us 180, so 108 tens as our answer. Then we had 270, so that's 2 hundreds and 7 tens, and we were adding 50. So we need to add 5 tens. We can add 1, 2, 3, exchange, then add 4, 5 tens, and that gives us 320. And for 380, we start with 3 hundreds and 8 tens, and we need to add 6 tens. So we can add 1, 2, exchange, then add 3, 4, 5, 6, and that leaves us with 4 hundreds and 4 tens, so 440 as our answer.